ride today. You know, when I was looking for motorbike videos to watch, I was looking for a motorbike video that had exhaust sound, V-twin exhaust sound, and I just wanted the exhaust soundtrack and to watch the bike ride, and it was really hard to find that. All the channels I came across either had a lot of talking over the top of a very muted exhaust sound, or they had music playing and you could hardly hear the exhaust at all. And while that's popular apparently, it's not at all what I was after. So I've decided to make my own content that fills that particular niche, and I hope that I'll find enough viewers in the world to make it worthwhile. But regardless of how many people watch my content, I enjoy taking the bike out for a ride, and I enjoy being creative and making the videos. So I plan to continue doing it, whether anybody watches or not really. It's basically just for me, and if some of you enjoy it, then that's brilliant. So today I'm out riding, and I'm going to be trying out some different camera angles. If you think they're cool, let me know. Anyway, I hope you'll enjoy the video. Just a ride, some V-twin exhaust sounds, and not a whole lot of talk. Cheers. Oh, also I've got to say, because I am on YouTube now, if you'd be kind enough to like, subscribe, thank you, and have a great day.